Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop shadow in buttons in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com and simply log into your WordPress account. As you can see over here, this is my home page. Here we're going to look for the quick links option over here, and right below is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option over here. It will take you to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, we have to actually select the button we want to add shadow to. As you can see, this is the option I want to add shadow to, and we are going to shift our focus to the right hand side over here on the styles icon, and we're going to scroll down. As you can see here, we can scroll down and simply select the image over here, and we're going to select this option over here. We can see the margin options, rounded, default, and every other option over here, but we cannot. Here we can see the shadow option. Click on the shadow option. Then here you can see the drop shadow option over here. Click on the drop shadow option and you can add shadow to your button and experiment with it as much as you want. See whichever suits you the best. As you can see, I am browsing through shadows, and that's how you can drop shadows in your buttons. After you are done with dropping your shadows, just simply click on the save icon over here and your drop shadow will be added to your button in the WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.